Hi, oh my
Hi,
god.
come on
How's
in.
it been?
Well, it's been a pretty rough day at work because some genes have copied wrongly, but nice having you here.
Who is Luca?
Let me show you one of them.
Did you say them?
LUCA is a huge community of unicellular organisms which have different characteristics. I'll show you later.
What makes them special?
What doesn't? They're the reason why you and every living organism in Earth exist.
But how did it all
Let's
happen?
get back billions of years ago.
Earth was just boiling hot and chaos. And kaboom, it started raining. It got temperatures to fall and giant molecules started to attract each other. They ended up forming molecular structures that eventually helped shaping LUCA. More or less like Lego. Wow, now I see it. It's huge and it's hot in here. Why?
We're used to high temperatures, ranging from 50 Celsius degrees to 100 Celsius degrees, all thanks to their membrane.
How's that even possible?
Ester bonds, glycerol, and special lipids help them work normally by withstanding those temperatures.
Let's go fast.
Where are we going?
It's the nucleus, and here's where all the information is stored. You'll find it in RNA, weirdly. It has various copies of the same genes, and parts that do not codify for anything, which forces the organism to have a machinery of genetic splicing.
What's his name, and how does it work?
It's called spliceosomal machinery, which cuts the entrance so that messenger RNA can go to the ribosome without no cloned genes. Cool, right?
Without a doubt. What's the weirdest thing you can show us?
You'll love its metabolism. First, they were autotrophs, because they live deep down in the ocean with no food, no light available. But then, they started being phagotrophs, which is the capture of nutrients and the symbiosis of organisms. It functions like co-workers. They help each other. That's how the mitochondria emerged.
Impressive. Last question. How did this end up as eukaryotes, prokaryotes, archaea, and all that stuff?
Well, all is thanks to natural selection. But prokaryotes also use reductive evolution, which was to make the cell more efficient. And archaea, they use thermoreduction, which is the adaptation of living organisms into high temperature. And eukaryotes, they're the symbiosis between prokaryotes and archaea together. And yeah, that's all. Have a nice one.